Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to create an AI avatar in Leonardo AI. First, open your web browser. After opening it, you need to sign in to Leonardo AI using your credentials. If you are not logged in, you can watch my previous video. The link is in the description. Just click on the link and you will be able to access it easily. After signing in, as you know, we want to make an AI avatar model. For this, we'll scroll a bit. You can choose any model that you like. Select the one you prefer, just like I'm selecting this model here. As soon as I click on it, a new format will open in front of you. Inside this new format, you will see a code in a prompt. This code is used to create this model. Let's copy this prompt. After copying it, you need to scroll a bit. After scrolling, you will find the option Generate with this model. Simply click on it. After clicking, a new format will open in front of you. Now, go to the left side. After moving to the left side, scroll down. You will find the Upload option here. Click on Upload. After clicking, a new format will open. As you can see, I had selected a female model avatar, so I will choose a picture of any woman from my laptop. As soon as you find a picture, double-click on it. Now, paste copying text right here. After pasting. After that, click on the Generate button. Clicking on it will start the generation process. If your internet connection is good, it will take approximately 20 to 30 seconds for it to generate. We won't make you wait. There you go. Your image has been generated. You can see this is the model I created, which I call my AI avatar. You can also create similar interesting images. This is the method for creating an AI avatar model. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.